What is up, guys? It's Fix and Fama here, and today we're doing a full restoration on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. Yeah guys, I got this Note 20 5G right here. I bought this phone for $200 off of a buddy of mine. It is in pretty rough shape. It is rose gold, I guess you can call it. It's just the Apple way of saying it, I guess. It has a cracked camera lens. The back is pretty worn and beat up. It is missing the SIM card tray, but it does work perfectly fine. It also has a small crack down here on the screen, and the screen is very scratched up. So today we're going to be going ahead and tearing this right here, mint condition Note 20 5G. This does work, but it is blacklisted, so it is going to be our parts phone today. It is in pretty good condition, but it is not mint. So, and it's a different color, but oh well, it works. And it was the only one I was able to really find right now. So, and also this phone had a bad S Pen, so luckily this phone right here came with an S Pen. Let's go ahead and let's get started. We'll go ahead and shut off the phone. And we'll go ahead and take this one apart first. Alright, so let's get started. Luckily on these newer Samsungs, the back is actually plastic and not glass, so we won't have to worry about really too hard of a back glass or back removal here. Alright, there we go. Back is now off. So now we're going to go ahead and take everything out of here. There we go, motherboard is now out, so we can go ahead, throw this to the side, and take apart the other parts phone. Alright, let's get started tearing down the parts phone. Alright, and there we go. We have the back off. Let's go ahead, take everything out of here, and put the good board into the new parts phone housing. And there we go. We have the old motherboard out. Let's go ahead and let's put the good motherboard in. Alright, there we go. We got it temporarily in. Let's go ahead and let's test it out. There we go, that's a great sign. Alright. There we go, it unlocked. S Pen is working fine. Let's look at the front camera, or rear camera, front camera. Yep, rear camera looks like it's working fine. Awesome. Everything looks like it's working fine. So let's go ahead and let's finish it up and put it all back together. Alright, I put some adhesive down. Let's go ahead and let's put the back on. The SIM card tray in, and the stylus is already in. Seal up the back, and we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Also subscribe. We are very close to 1,000 subs, and once we hit 1,000 subs, I have a pretty big giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I will say this video was made quite a bit ago. It is one of the ones that I've had kind of on the back burner as like a backup video. Right now, the market's kind of dry, so I'm going to keep trying to get content out to you guys. I also want to say a huge thank you for the massive recent support on my videos and my channel. It's greatly appreciated, and I'm finally starting to grow in the algorithm. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.